So I come from a very middle class family. They did not even know that I am doing the Craftshara course because they were aware that I am preparing for MBA. So I had to do the job, late night job also, to in order to uh, pay the fees. My name is Deepshikha Chaube. I am working as an e-com analyst in Publicis Group Performing. I am from Varanasi. I have completed my graduation from there only. So I never thought it would be that hectic how it was. Hectic as in the schedule was tightly packed. Like I used to join the classes at 10. It used to start at 10 and sometimes classes would start at 8 also. The Facebook classes which we had. And it used to go till 8 in the evening because 6 to 8 we had this exercise sessions which we used to do with among our peers, among our team. So like day on day to schedule were very different, like because there used to be different classes on different days. For starting we used to get for say we just started the program, so there will be classes related to digital marketing. We'll be told how digital marketing works, and then after 2 3 weeks we'll get into Facebook. And then after every lecture, after every module, we used to get the assignment so that we know ki how we stand, if we understood what we learned in the lecture or not. So you will have to do the assignment in the meantime. And then there was lunch. After lunch, we used to have this human skill session. And then after that human skill assignment was also there among in the lectures only. Like if the human skill session is of 2 hours, then 1 hour is for lecture and then 1 hour for assignment in there itself in the breakout rooms. And then after snacks break 15 to 20 minutes or maybe sometimes 30 minutes, you will be having the Excel sessions. Excel sessions were used to happen in the start, and later on there was a quant session which was going on. So you will be able to learn maths also. Like in few interviews, when we are giving the interviews in the placement pool, they used to uh, prior to the interviews, they used to schedule these assessments where they used to um, judge our knowledge on quant or English or reasoning. So we were getting prepared for that also in the later stages of the module completion. So after Facebook, we learned about Google, and then Google was the same process. So after Google, ecom was there, and then SEO. So that is how the schedule was divided into day on day and on monthly basis. I used to think how I'll be able to remember all of these things, but it was like it was really good because whenever I'm doing something, I'm exercising about it. Whenever I'm learning something from the teachers or from the experts that were there, we used to do the exercise together on the same day in the evening. So that was like quite helpful. And now my schedule is how Craftchala work. Like I was prepared before my job that I had to work from this hour to this hour. So I was mentally stable. If I would have been in a situation ki I am working from 10 to 4 and then chilling whole day, I would not have been able to do this job further. Because you never know whenever you are joining, how much of work you will get, how much of pressure you will get. So I think Craftchala somehow prepares us for the future when we are going to get a job. Like in start when I was doing the Facebook, Megha used to teach us. Her sessions were really insightful. She used to teach us everything, like in depth. She used to take a lot of her time to explain us whatever problems we had. I remember Sadashiv from SEO. He used to teach us in such a manner that I was so much interested in SEO. I thought ki I'm the most interested in SEO and I'll be taking up that SEO only. Sadashiv explained it so well. It got so interesting that I think more than half of the batch, 75% of the batch went for SEO because they were so, he explained it so well that we thought we know all the things. We know everything that will come to us. So we were like really prepared for it. So I remember him also. He used to teach us in a fun way. He was very like funny, active, and used to grasp the attention of the people who were not even active in other classes. They were active in his classes. And other mentors also, I remember they were all very good. And I remember the quant classes and reasoning classes also, because I was very hyperactive in those classes as well. I think the group of mentors, what all we had were like really great. They used to connect with us, ask us if we are having any problems. After third week, I think I got to know we can talk a lot about ourselves or about whatever problems we are facing to Megashri or to Mukund also. There were these personal interviews that we were having with SSD if we are facing any issues, or they want to do something more from their end to ease us or something. Once what happened is that I was not able to join the tour. I started crying, calling Megashri. I'm not able to my this interview was there, but my connection was like a bit. It was not working for me. So I thought, ki, what will happen now? She said, ki, you have to be in the interview. Will it get rescheduled, or will I have to do the module all over again? But she said, ki, no, you will get the chance to reschedule the interview. Don't worry about it. She used to connect with us personally ki if we are facing any issues, or there was session in between ki how our life went, what all difficulties we had in our life, what all challenges we had in our life, so as to we can connect among each other and ease ourselves. So I think they are a major part of the Craftshala team, because they are the ones who are connecting with the people who are joining the course. I used to sleep in a few sessions because I think human skill sessions, what will I be able to learn? But at the later stages, I get to learn a lot, like managerial. If a fresher is joining and if a fresher is attending the session, they'll be able to learn about how a manager thinks about in a certain situation, how you have to manage in a situation where you are stuck, and how you have to respond to it. Say tech jobs, so we'll think only tech questions will be asked from us. But in my interview, there were two interview schedules. So one was the round which manager took. So he was solely interested in how I work. About human skills questions were there only, like managerial questions. How will you manage if this situation was there? How will you manage it? And like things like that. Also guesstimate. I don't think, like, I personally was not aware was what guesstimate was, but in my interview it was asked. So when we are in college, we don't know much about how the corporate world works. But as a fresher, you get to learn a lot in human skill sessions. Like, you will be able to improve your communication skill. You will be able to learn empathy. You will be able to learn how to manage, how to do teamwork, how to manage things in a corporate. The CV was also part of human skill sessions. Later on, when the modules were about to end, like SEO was the last module we had. Before SEO started, we started preparing our CVs. We submitted our CVs in second week, end of the second week, and then there were classes of 1 hour or 2 hour, depending on the if we had to connect with the experts about what we want to add or what we don't want to add. Then the sessions were about 2 hours, or otherwise if they are suggesting you have to add this, you can add in the pointers, or remove these things, make it in bold letters. So that is how the sessions were used to be at of 1 hour. So the first module was Facebook only. So I was interested in how things work. We used to learn only theory part of that. I was very interested. We all were curious. All the 4 team members of our team were very curious, and we were very active. Yeah, we have to complete it very soon. We'll be able to do it like really fast, and we'll do amazing. So that is when the live projects came, and then we did it in an hour. The time period was a lot, but we completed it in an hour. And I remember it because we were the best performing team of the batch. How much impressions that we got on the um, our ads that we ran. So we were around 90,000 plus impressions we got. So we were the expert also was very impressed, and in the interview also we used to get these remarks, yeah, you did very well, your team did very well. So the targetings which we did, and the demographics and all the creatives that we added, the headlines that we posted for the ads, that were very great. But what is important is how you relate the ad creatives to the headlines that you are using. So that is how we created the impact there, and we were able to get a lot of impressions on that, and our ads performed really well. So that is why I have a memory of that. In fact, every live project was a unique experience to us, but the Facebook performed well, and it was our first project. It was a great experience to have. So that is why it's a memorable one. So what happened is that when placement process was not even properly started, like few companies used to get in between before, like get in beforehand, before our placement process started. So that is how I was able to apply beforehand also, before getting into the placement process. But when the placement process started, when companies started to come for us, na, I already had my interview scheduled with the performance, and I got placed in the first week itself. So I was not able to go through the whole placement process. But I think other friends of mine which were there, it was like a lot of companies used to come in the like 4 to 5 companies were coming in a week. So there were no shortage of companies that are coming in, and there were a lot of assignments that they had to do. It was tightly, then also when they were in placement process also, their schedule was tightly packed only. They're revising their concepts that they learned in the digital marketing, and preparing for the interviews. For some companies like Publicis and all, they take tests also for quant and for reasoning. So they were preparing for that also. And the placement process of Craftchala is very smooth, because all of my friends, my team got placed. The second week was there, and all of my team was placed. We are five students. We are sorry, not a five student. We are five people in our team in Gurgaon. So they are from different platform, not from Craftchala. I think there is a IIDE is there, no? So they did 11th months ka course, and they have the same knowledge which I have, which I learned in 3 months. They have the same level of knowledge what they learned in 11 months, and they paid also more, a lot more than me. As a fresher, I think if you want to get into digital marketing, you have to have that knowledge beforehand. Whenever people say that there is no job, I think the only problem is that you are not that skilled what company needs. Because even if they are hiring as a fresher, they need to know that you have that understanding, basic understanding of how platform is. Because the hectic schedule of the companies, they cannot sit and teach you ki this thing is there, this setting is there. So you have to have that basic knowledge at least to get into the marketing field, or that get into the corporate job. Even if I'm learning from ChatGPT or somewhere else, I will not get that idea of how things work, because you don't have access to the platform. Like for Amazon, for Facebook, you don't get the access of ads platform, because we used to use a Craftchala's account or Unleavable's account or some else's account, so that we can explore the ads platform of that thing. So you'll not be able to get the practical idea of how things work. You'll be able to learn the theory part of it. When you are in college also, you get to learn a lot of theory things, but you don't know about practical things, so you keep forgetting about it. You have to have that knowledge also. Now when you're sitting for the interview, they'll ask you, if this thing happened, what will you do in this situation? Like, for example, if the campaign is not coming out of learning phase, what will you do? So there has to be an answer, because you have to know about it, what all things you have to do in that certain situation. To know that, you need to learn up the theory part of it and the practical part of it. For that, you'll have to have the an expert who can tell you how things work there. So I think it is very important for us to go through a course, a full-fledged course that will let us learn about the digital marketing solely, and the other modules or the phases of digital marketing that we have. Even people who are doing, like for me, I was going to do the MBA, but I think I did the best thing that I did in my as in career is choosing Craftchala, because that saved a lot of my time, that saved a lot of my investment, that which I have done for learning the same thing. Even if I'm doing the masters for digital marketing, I'll have to provide 2 years of my time, and then a lot of investment which I'll have to do for MBA. So I think this was the best decision of my career life that I had up until now.